text platform that enables investigators, analysts, and policymakers to interact with the crime database using natural language queries while also providing advanced analytical capabilities grounded in criminology and sociological insights. The proposed solution should enable users to discover hidden relationships between crimes, offenders, victims, locations, and socio-economic patterns, supporting investigative decision making, and provides predictive and preventive insights to strengthen protective law enforcement. And we can go into the citizens public portal over here, and we have the AI face search and sightings, where the public citizen can upload a suspect's photo over here and submit to get the closest results. And we can see here, and it also has an wanted criminal roster which shows all the active suspects and rewards. And we can also report a sighting or upload photos. And we also have an emergency incident report where the citizen can file a emergency incident report. Now going back, now let's log into an authorized officer using secure biometric and authentication. We can put in the station ID, and the name of the registered officer, and we can put in the biometrics of the person and the password. And immediately we can see here the notification over here which shows the recent sighting from the citizens. And we also have the notification bell over here which shows all the recent notifications. We can see the officer command dashboard over here, and we can see the real time. We can see the dashboard over here, and this shows the crime trend in the last 6 months, and also the top hotspot districts, recently flagged offenders, and shows the live citizen emergency incident feed. And here we can see the solution panel. These are the 12 proposed solutions which the officer can use. And next up is the conversational crime intelligence AI. And here we can put in our query. And next up is the conversational AI, and here we can put in our query. And this shows the reply. Next up is the criminal network analysis. Here we can see the map connections between suspects, victims, and vehicle, phones, and bank accounts. If we make it more specific, We can see over here Suresh and Srinivas are linked. This shows that they both are of the same family, and this is just an example, and this could be very helpful. Next up is the crime pattern and trend analytics. Here we can examine the case data. This includes the 12-month crime trend and case distribution and value comparison and the seasonal crime activity overlay over here. And we can see the recent CCTNS case file entries over here. And we can see the open cases and under investigation closed. So this is basically the case status. And next is sociological crime insights. Here we can see the demographic breakdown of age of accused, demographic breakdown of gender ratio, and socio-economic and sociological crime correlation map. So this is Bangalore, Mysore, and the other district. Next is criminological based offender profiling, and we can search the offenders by name. And risk tier and the district. And we can see the criminal case timeline and co-offenders and associate directory. Next up is the investigator decision support. Here we can get the AI case brief summary, and we can also see the similar case finders and suggesting leads. And next is the financial crime and link analysis. Under financial crime and link analysis, the audit flags suspicious transaction with account number, amount, dates. We can trace money trail visually, check AI analysis summaries, and view linked offender profiles. And this is our crime forecasting selection display, which is an interactive map of Karnataka over here. And by hovering over the hotspot, we can track the crime spike, gang activities, and optimize resource deployment instantly. Next is the Recidivism probability engine, one of our original features, calculates the offender's risk of reoffending. It projects the likely crime type and target zone and timeline. The AI analyzes critical trigger factors including previous data, seasonal offending patterns, and active co-offenders currently in the area. Here we can see for Raju, it is 73%. And predicted crime type will be vehicle theft, and timeline will be within 6 weeks. Next up is the AI face search and suspect identification, another original feature. We can see pending citing reports sent by citizens, and under the biometric matching terminal, citizens can upload reports of harassment, or if someone is talking, they can upload their photo. The AI matches it against our criminal database, predicting the current appearance if the record is old. Crucial human in the loop verification is mandatory to prevent false accusations. And at the bottom, the system audits the log record, every query which search detail, timestamp, system status, and operator's name. Under explainable AI and transparent analytics, we can access secure audit logs. Using the executive report generator, officers can compile reports by state, district, or jurisdiction and download them as PDF. Additionally, we have secure role based access and governance. The secure role based access dashboard manages profiles, security gateway. This role switcher simulates access level for investigator or analyst during testing. In production, this simulator is disabled, enforcing strict authorization access only. And this is Prajna AI. Thank you.